What I do as a caricature artist here in Montana is simply filling a void that no one else is filling. That's the reason why this is working to an extent. Mainly because I see a need, and I'm fulfilling that need, which not a lot of people can fill. That's the only reason why businesses continue and succeed. At the point in time that is being fulfilled elsewhere, your business falls. That's why I think personally that I'm having more success up here in Montana than I probably would down south. Because there's a lot of artists down south. There's only, that I've counted so far in my personal journey, I think there's only 3 caricature artists in Montana, as far as I can tell. And I would argue that I am the kingpin. I market myself in such a way where it would seem like I'm the only one. There are people come up to me and like, I saw you at the fair, and I'm like, you definitely didn't see me at the fair because I don't do fairs. Let me make mention of that, by the way. Let me make mention of that. A lot of people ask me if I do fairs, and I don't. I make an effort to be a more niche businessman. I want to be known for higher quality work and doing higher quality gigs. So I don't go to week-long fairs. I'll do small niche fairs. I love small niche fairs. I love cosplay fairs. I love corporate events and things like that. I love that kind of stuff. I think that's great. And if I can have a client hire me per hour to draw in their booth or whatever, even better so. One thing I don't do is like week-long fairs, because the dynamic changes from you being hired per hour or you selling your work there to you having to pay a vendor fee to even be there. And then on top of paying a vendor fee, you might even have to give a cut of every sale that you make to the fairgrounds. And I find that unnecessary and ridiculous for me personally. So that is why I don't do fairs. I want to be hired for very niche things. I want to be hired for very specific things. I want to look and feel like a higher value, and I want to give and overgive as much as possible in my marketing for whoever's hired me. With Cruising the Drag and Subaru, that hired me to come out and draw, on in their car lot, trying to get people to Subaru. I made 2 videos on my YouTube and on my Facebook saying, I'm at Subaru, it's a free event, you can come get drawn by me for free. And I had 4 people come out because of my post and get their families drawn, and Subaru was grateful. My goal is to do more than any other artist is doing in marketing for my client, and in the process make myself seem more niche, experienced, and worthy of higher class events.